Welcome to the slaptastic world of us. High Ascension. High Ascension 16, Ironclad. High Ascension /16, Ironclad. Let's run it. A rare colorless card for a curse. Just a random rare card. Let's choose it. Exhume me. Okay. I see Papa's got business here. Mandy in chat says this isn't UFO 50. That's completely true. Tell me other things it's not. What other things is this not? If you could use your little brain, your little tinkle brain, 9 times. This is not fun, Mandy. Don't be a dick. Personally, I love this game, but I'm excited to play more of it. You don't have to be a bitch about it. Jesus. And I want to get all the way through this Ascension before the sequel comes out. Everyone's blowing me with this shit. What are we doing? Ooh! Mandy redeemed I will degrade you for 20,000 pizza points. You stupid little fucking bitch. You called into the bike stream and ran away like a coward because you can't face the facts. You can't face the facts, and then you brat it up in text comments. You're like, oh, give me UFO 50, give me UFO 50. I want what I want. I'm a pillow princess that hides in my little closet of shame. You can't handle it. You can't handle it, girl. And the fucking sick part is, that's what you like. You like being a helpless, stupid bitch. I'm sorry. Learn to hike. What are we taking? We're taking an early Searing Blow. I'm falling into the Searing Blow bait, a card that you keep upgrading and it keeps getting stronger. And I'm going to see what happens. Oofy boofy. I mean, nothing matters here. Nothing matters. Hopefully we kill him next turn, though. We technically can't, though this does 18. This does 6. We can kill you next turn, so we should block again. Come to my channel and I will degrade you. It costs pizza points. You're find this on YouTube and you're a woman? I don't know. That's stupid. What am I saying? Or a man? God, the worst thing is men who want to be degraded. Nothing worse than that. Because they do it from a position of power. And that's what's sick. That's what's sick about it. They do it from a position of power. Degrade me, but I'm the one in charge. Like, ew, gross. I'm a millionaire CEO, but I make up for it by asking ask dominatrixes to sit on me and spit on me. I'm saying all this gender shit that doesn't make sense, and everything I'm saying I regret saying. So please keep that in mind, guys. I don't agree with anything I'm saying, and I don't like it. Whenever a card is exhausted, gain 3 block. Feel No Pain gets us through the pylons from, It gets us through the pylons. Whatever those called. The little rhomboids. The polygonal rhomboids. It gets us through the polygonal rhomboids. It also gets us full block here. Vital Transmute? What can we do this turn? Technically, this is 13, whereas that's worse. So Searing Blow is better this turn. I think we take the 13 damage. We need to start milking it. Milk me, Pappas. Guys, I'm just fucking... I'm just playing games all day today, if I can. I'm a little depressed. But not. I'm anxious about everything. The world is scary. Cleave me. We're all failing and we're all dying. Feel No Pain is 3 block this turn. The future makes me anxious. I just wish Mandy was here to be my mother. I don't want to kill you first, because then you're going to do way more damage. Bad news. Bad juju, as they say. Bad juju. I look like I give good hugs, what, with these little rat hands? I need more health. I will inflame, but we do need to rest. Instead of upgrading the Searing Blow, which makes the Searing Blow already bad. It's already a bad Searing Blow. Oh, I should have done the bash first. Fudge. That was a misplay. Because we wouldn't have woken him up if I did the bash beforehand. Ooh. Draw additional cards. So that's 21, whereas this is going to be 24. We just need to milk you down again. It's all about milking. It's all about milking. It's all about taking a bunch of damage, apparently, too. Can we kill you? Now we draw. Okay. Swift Potion me. What do we got? Can we do 26 damage next turn somehow? Or are we dead? 9 plus 7. Hey, we could do 18. Well, we're dead. There's nothing we could do. There's nothing we could do. 13, 22. We could do 22. 9 plus 7. We could do 23. I risked it, and my biscuit got soggy. I'm eating it. I'm doing the thing no one does it. Dookie cookie, what do they call it? Other people have talked about it. What am I talking about? Come on. It's Ascension 16. Be a smart boy, not a little Frankenfurter. And go for that. We were almost good guys. And then, we were not good guys. Ladies and gentlemen, Rat Cousin, Five Guys, Children, and Fries. Five Guys, Children, and maybe a little fries. There's no shop that way, so we'd probably... But we can't get a free elite unless we go this way. I go up this way. There could be a question mark shop. I'm questioning my shop sexuality. I love shopping. Second win... Hemokinesis. Strap me up. I'm not asking to get pegged. Upgrade a card or get Warped Tongs. Warped Tongs is very good, but we have Pain now. But Warped Tongs. We have Pain, but Warped Tongs? So you gotta think about it that way. We have Pain, but we have Warped Tongs. Think about it, both things are possible. Now, Second Wind can get rid of Warped Tongs. Did I already take Second Wind? No, because I took Hemo. Yeah, and now you're going to let me remove it. Gain 50 gold, 50% good face, 50% bad face. I will take the 50 gold this time, honestly. 7 damage. Is that like a 5-for-1 Bukkake special? What is everyone... People are saying some pretty crazy shit in chat. Is that like a 5-for-1 Bukkake special? Ooh, I got you right when I wanted you. Give me some good diddles this... Damage, not diddles. I'm saying, Rat Cousin. And we have this potion if we take a lot of damage. This time I will live. Words I need to unlearn. Diddles. Ooh! We take this. We take that. We get rid of the pain. No Seamus in the penis. Bash me into a hemokinesis. That feels good. Though pain with that thing that's like when you... That power that's like when you take damage from a card. We probably should have attacked more. When you take damage from a card, you gain strength. Like that, I wonder if that's like worth doing. I think it's bash. And I think it's attack. And I think it's heal 20% of my HP. And then I think it's this, and then you're dead. Maybe I could have done it with 3 strikes and lost less. Oh, more strength when you're in low H. And we got an elixir anyway. Feels good. And Burning Pact I kind of like, too. For deck control. This is Major Tom to deck control. Hemokinesis Plus is a big damage up early on. Especially with what's it called? A little bit of a hoochie hoochie. Because, yeah, we got a 1-hit kill right here. The full defend and we take 2D. 2D. The D is P Diddy. Sigh. We could gain 5 block. Or we could gain all 13, baby! I love it when you come in my eye. Be my friend today. Because now, that upgraded Hemokinesis, oh, we got weakened. We could still kill, though, right? 22 plus 20? Yeah. Well, 20, 10. There we go. It's worth it. It's worth it. Not doing Searing Blow. What of these would I be D'ing? Is there anything I'm really wanting to upgrade? I think it's Clothesline. I think it's Clothesline. And I'm tired of pretending it's not. I sent a picture of my cat on the desk with Rat Cousin on the monitor. That sounds like content for ballers who want to learn lessons, who want to be shot callers. Let's see. What is that in? That's in your pets, your arts, your foods, your food check. And there's so much. There's too many things in this Discord. I didn't make it. I don't know pets. There we go. Good vibes. I don't know. Oh, that's very cute. This is a very cute picture. For people who like cute pictures, this might be one you find very cute. Let's pop it up on the screen. Let's pop it up on the screen. How cute. How cute. But did you know that your cat had 3 eyes? And a mustache? And an evil beard? It was angry? Bet you didn't know that. I bet you didn't know that. Bet you didn't know that shit. Juzu. Good. Remove all curses? I think we do it. I think we get rid of pain. No pain, no gain. I mean, I didn't have the power I needed, so... Is it second wind? I think it's second wind. Rat hole isn't even written as rat-hole. Who decided these things? Who's deciding these things? Not me. Not me, y'all. Okay, what do we do here? What do we do here, mate? What do we do here? That's what we do here, I think. I think that's the best thing we do here. We one-hit kill you. Then we block and strike. And then we kill you next turn. We're going to need a little healing when the time comes. But right now, I don't mind having Red Skull. Add a card to my deck. Sword Boomerang works well with Red Skull. I will risk an elite. I'm doing it, man. These are when you play this game, you got to make risky plays, brother. Next card is played twice. Duplicate me on a clothesline. Because then we get a weakening. This shit almost kills you. Block. 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 Sword Boomerang. Okay, not really the best sword boomerang of all time, but shit happens. Shit happens when you play video games. You see numbers flying across. You know, I remember being a kid, playing video games and being like, damn, shit happens. When I play video games, shit happens. Okay, we got double kill on. But we also are very low on health. At least we got a full defendus here. And that 3-strike, it's a big boon, dude. Imagine in real life if you were weak and you got stronger. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen. That was the Rat Cousins thought of the day. Shuffle of Days. Do we have Second Wind? No, we don't have... I mean, we don't have the power I'm thinking of. But Reckless Charge could be good. I think it's Bludgeon. Shittily enough, I think it's Bludgeon. Do we kill? 37. 37. They call me Mr. Numbers. 35. You fucker. You little shit. $14 block. So we do this and... Oh, no, we just kill. Why was I thinking about math? Sometimes, you know, you get lost in the sauce. Rupture is what I was looking for earlier. Are we fighting? Mr. Slimeman. I will rest. Mr. Bombastic Bumbleclot Pussyclot. I'm still obsessed with that lady where that Jamaican mom's yelling at the kid for eating 12 eggs. That video is fucking great. Give me an early attack potion. Immolate, I think, would go hard this fight. Sorry, not sorry. But I'm urinating. I'm Bertie urinating. Do we just break you now? IDK. Might have been a dumb play, but we also have Immolate. Eight plus about 14 is 22. That's not enough to do the thing. But we start milking. We take damage and we milk. When you milk, you take damage. When you milk, you take damage. When you milk, you take damage. Okay, rupture me. We're not dead. Not yet. Hemokinesis to break you. We're taking 18. Sword boomerang me. We gain more strength from the fire. So I think we're at a good point, especially when you use a fucking Immolate, brother. We got this shit. Milk is damage. Damage is milk. Shrug me off. A second win, of course. Just to keep us alive. Just start even milking. We're doing some even milking right now. We do that, we do this, and then we gain more strength from that. Dude! Man, it's good to be back in the Ironclad hole. I like Ironclad. I like Ironclad, y'all. He's a fun little guy. And that made me think I wanted Immolate for real, to be real. Especially for floor 2. Like, yeah, I wanted Immolate for real. Is it busting crowns? And more Manter. No, I think it's Calling Bell. Because we could play this and gain strength with Rupture. Nunchuck, Horde Cleat, Captain's Wheel. Early defense is kind of settled, dude. Except for turn 20. Early defense is kind of settled. Let's go up this middle route. Who we taking on today? Oh, Mr. Two Orbs. I've got nipples. James, can you milk me? That's my favorite line. Okay, how do we do this? Because 32 does not kill you, because you're a big boy. Next turn, we do a lot of blocking. We let this happen for now. We let this happen. But we got an early rupture out, which feels good. So we gained some strength. We are going to clothesline you to take a little less damage. And then I think we... So it's what, 18? We'll take 4 damage. Let's continue the slow Milkus. Continue the slow Milkus. Darth Milkus. Have you guys heard the story of Darth Milkus the Milky? Okay, what are we doing here? That order was, as they say, scuffed, because I missed out on doing more damage to these guys, even if it was just a little. Can we kill you? No, but we can knock you on the floor, which means we only take 12 damage. And the milking must be slow. Please be on the floor. Give me another attack. God damn it. Maybe I should have done the other one. Fire. I like fire! Disarm's not bad as a defensive option. The bell did go ding. What are we doing here? We're doing the best we can. And it involves taking damage. You need to switch back to your phone. Your cat was trying to gift subs. We can kill a guy. Thanks to our captain's wheels and our horns cleats. Thanks to our captain's wheels and horns cleats and being half elf at the Red Skull, we might be able to get them all dead. Whoo! That's why you take the bludgeon. That's why you take the big boy. Let's heal. Maybe I shouldn't have, but I did it. Pummel me. Pummel me with all the strength we're getting. Could become something nasty. What are we doing here? Becoming cursed with regret. Getting a lot of money. Right before a shop, too. 2 shops, even. Okay, what do we want? This could go well with an exhaust heavy thing. Which one of these? I think we take out regret. Even though we just put it in there. And then I think we go here and we see what's at this store. And I think we take the value route to start our strength scale a little earlier. Pummel me, Daddy. Everybody wants to be pummeled by Daddy today. I don't know where people are getting these ideas. Gain a ritual for me. What are we doing? What are we doing? We could gain way more than enough block. We can also kill. 7 plus 12 kills you. But then we just play a normal defend, I guess. I don't know. A wooga wooga. Hubba hubba, honey. Honey, we're doing a hubba hubba. Okay, spot your weakness. Rupture me. I do that. That is what I do. In that moment, I start attacking him. He's going to summon guys, and he's buffing himself. This is the best day of our life. It's the best day of our life. I think... What do we do here? Shit! We could kill you. We have 14 damage coming in, which isn't crazy. Disarm you in advance? Now, no free block this turn, right? Flame barrier. That's helpful. Taking a lot of damage this turn, though. Oof. Okay, we gotta try and win. We gotta try and win soon. Or we will die. At least he's gotta summon this turn. So bash me into this, and then hopefully he'll kill him next turn. Whew. Bludge me. Bludge me. Everybody wants to get pummeled and bludgeoned. You disgusting freaks. Strawberry is very nice to get. Strawberry is very nice to get, and I will take a battle trance with the amount of mana we have. Now, we will go up to the right because I need to rest. I'll go to the right because we need to rest. This is an early, just exhaust everything for enough block. And, start milking you. Rekkas is always talking about the milking, bro. Disarm you. Sword boomerang. 6 times 4. I'm gonna go into this colorless potion. Deal. I could do 20 damage. Which makes it so we kill you. Hey, I'll take that. I'll take that. Enough block and a little strike. Oh, I had way more than enough block. I forgot what turn it was. Okay, we're alive. We're alive, and we are beautiful. A second shrug it off, I don't think does me any difficulties. And a shockwave is something I was interested in, so I'm taking it. Kind of glad. Akabeko's good. First attack every fight does more damage. We can get good sword boomerangs or whatnots. And get me rested. Get me alive. If we had a feed, I'd feel like we could make Red Skull work more often. Do me. Do you. 31 damage? What kind of freak let that happen? It's a pretty good pull. Tail whip. Don't worry, I've got so much block. 33 plus 12. Or do we go up to more blocking? I think we go up to more blocking since we can't kill. Since we can't kill, we go up to more blocking. Oof. So I think the best thing is clothesline, right? Still, that's so much damage. I just healed so much. And now this has to happen. You little freak. What have you done to me? Double tap could go good. I don't know if I take the elite, but maybe I do. I don't know, man. In these moments, what do I do? I could do 32 damage to someone. But I could also bash. You are default 24, right? 24 is 36. Mumberclot. Okay, can we kill anybody with bludgeoned? Battle trance me first. We could spot weakness into pummel. Perfect killing. And then next turn, we still have a captain's wheel. We still have a captain's wheel. Give me another attack. Oh, bitch, you've been slammed. Bammed. Thank you, ma'amed. I don't think so. Maybe we combust. Let's see what happens, guys. I mean, this is a groupie. We go to the flame barrier. And we go into the normal block. And then we hope we survive the next turns. That's what happens, is we hope we survive them. 14. I would like to kill you. I could double tap for 36. I think we have to do this. Wasn't enough to really make the difference, but I still think I had to do it. Sword boomerang me first. Shrug me off. We have 26. 19 plus 10 is 29. So we are just going to... What might we draw? We're going to shrug it off again. Yeah. Okay. It sucks being vulnerable. We're no longer vulnerable, but... we are dead. We could do 26 to you. That is not enough to kill you. Okay, we are taking 20, so we have to do this. Okay. At least we got some shit. Are we alive? Oof. 29 to everybody. And then 50. Yeah, okay. Jesus Christ, dude. Orichalcum is... it's kind of okay. Get me out of here. Don't be a fight. Find some potions. I will take them. I don't want them. Rest me. Holy crap, we're on the edge of our seat right now, guys. We got Mr. Double Orbeez. Okay, we'll take the Rupture Plus, and we'll take the Combust. And we'll keep going. Hopefully the Combust doesn't kill us. 37 damage. We have a lot of strength already. We have 13 strength. I don't know how that fucking happened, but we have it. Are we dead? 25. No, we're not dead. We could kill you with one attack. We can also exhaust Curse of the Bell. We could double tap the Sword Boomerang. You know, honestly, I think that was worth doing. We take 7 damage, but come on. Now we just gotta milk you down quicker than you've ever been milked. You're attacking for 37. We would do 14 times 5. Battle Trance me. Nine. Nine, 37. Plus 15 is 24, so we take 13. So I have to do this. But I do think we should take 2 energy. He's so close to being dead. Guys, we're alive. Holy crap, we're alive. What the fuck? That was not... We did not deserve to live. We did not deserve to live. I'm getting, out of all these, the corruption's really good. But I think it's feed. No longer smith is fine with me. I don't mind not being able to smith. I'll take that. What with my warped tongs? I've not been upgrading shit. Papa's accomplishing. Yes, that is true. Not the best first turn. But a good immolate. In fact, we'll shockwave into immolate. And feels like baller about it, because we're full blocking anyway. And then what do we do? You're probably... You would kill yourself, right? On a flame barrier? No, not quite, but close. I love throwing an unnecessary bludgeon. Oh, that's really nice to have. That's really nice to have, honestly. Don't need any of that. What are you giving me? I'm falling. And when I fall, I lose a defend. Sue me. Offer something and receive a reward. I will offer bludgeon. I've done enough offering of bludgeons. We got 10 max HP, so now I got to remember feed. Let's transform a strike. What are you giving me? Blood for blood. That actually is not bad either. Upgrade me? We can't smith, so why don't we upgrade feed so it's always better? Coder Dev is in chat. What's up, Codered? My little Coder Dev. My Coder Dev. I mean, there's no reason not to preemptively that. Shrug it off. We're just going to combust. We'll start getting our strength every turn. We get 2 strength every turn. We're disgusting guys. We're disgusting guys who get 2 strength every turn. We shockwave. And I guess we do this. Gain more strength. There's nothing else we could do other than do 4 damage. Okay, he's debuffing us, which I like. We do this. Do we do 26? Yeah, we do 26, and then we do 7 times 4, or whatever that is. And we let our life happen. We hope he don't take too much damage this turn. Guys, I think we take a lot of damage this turn. Should I gain an extra? I don't think we need the extra strength. We're devolving on chat. Okay. Bash. How many attacks are we for? Are we going to wait for feed to come around again? Because I don't think so. It would have been nice. We could definitely kill him. Kill him while he's intangible. Fuck it. We haven't used feed once, but fuck it. Fuck it. Who are we fighting anyway? Mr. Time Lord. The Wizard of Time. Do we go to a shop? I don't think we'll reach another shop, so I think we go to a shop. Start with some decks. Start with some decks. I think we start with some decks. Yeah. I'll take it. Throw it in the fuck it bucket. Oof. Okay. Oof. Make sure we don't get any of those. Power through is okay. Yeah, we didn't really get anything we wanted. Body slam is... I didn't need them. I didn't need that shit, okay? I got the courier. I got the rat cousin fucking relic. And I rest. I rest because I don't care. All I gotta do is rest. Double tap a strike this turn. 11 plus 9 is 20. Maybe a bad use of my Akabeko Vigor. Veni Vidi Vici. Shockwave me. $13, $10. Flame barrier me. I don't know. I guess I didn't have to do that. He's going to explode this turn. So I'm going to finally feed. Our first feed! It's our first feed, y'all. Combust helps us with these guys just making themselves spikier. You hate it. You hate to see it. You hate to see guys just making themselves spikier. Yeah, he's doing 6, which is honestly better than attacking him. So we'll let him do it. Especially since we've got our favorite little friend, Orichalcum. Defend, disarm, exhaust. Give me another defend, please. Ouch. They're so close to being dead. We could attack one of them. We attacked one of them. Just to keep ourselves honest. Just keep yourself honest, rat cousin. Do things that you don't expect, and then don't cry about it. We're still at the full H pizzle, as I call it. I call it the full H pizzle. My order was wrong, and I'm sorry. I should have done things differently, and I'm sorry. You can still kill one of you. To preemptively disarm. Throw in a 9 block. Because I should have done the shrug it offs first. That's what I'm talking about. That's the things you should be doing sometimes at the first time. So I think we flame barrier. So we're taking 9. We're taking a little damage. At least you took a little damage too, but... Feed, you're a minion, so that's not going to help me. I could do an easy 19, which I guess is happening. And we keep going. Where's my rupture at? Give me my rupture at the end of the deck. That's what they're doing to me. They're putting my rupture at the end of the deck just to hurt me. The people, the people in this game, you can't even... You can't even make sense of it, you know? Take 6 less damage. Or start getting more strength. I did what I did. There's the rupture anyway. He's almost dead. We got this lady. We got this beautiful lady down. Ain't nothing she could do to me. Got a immolate in my hand. Got a clown on my pound. It's called numbers. I like ice cream. That's something we have to think about more, though. I didn't feed, but... I think we could get one more... What will we get? One more what? Orange pellets for the debuff? Double fairy in a bottles, maybe? Let's do it. Let's do it. Double fairy me. Anchor. All 3. We got the boat captain run. Guys. Pauliani says they cut me. That's super interesting. Like from what? A play? Were you at a play and they cut you? They're like, you're not a good enough actor for our play anymore? Is that what happened? Can't believe they cut Paulioni from the play. Polyamorous Oni. Okay, what are we doing here? I think we double tap blood for blood. Is it dead forever? Oh no, 1 is exhausted. And now we're at 7 and we keep going. Motorboating with my best friends. If any girls out there want to show us how you motorboat with your best friends. Don't do this, guys. You're laying with your cat? I'm sure you're actually just lying with your cat. Spot weakness, rupture. That's the important. It's the important. Look at all this manter. Now we combusty. Now we burning pack. Maybe the normal defend. Then we shrug off. Curse of the Bell. Ascender's Bait. Boink. This is the power of getting strength. We're at 7. Bash, sword boomerang, clothesline, shrug it off, and give me one more card to play. We have to play it. We have to play it. Now he's going to try and heal himself and shit. 12 times 5. So we start with the hemo. Then we do 100 damage. He doesn't fully heal now, does he? He does. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot who doesn't know how to play this game. Okay, spot weakness. He's going to do 27, but we have 2 fairies in a bottle. Also, I'm too good for video games. Yeah, break me. Break me. I'm just popping my little Navi. What do you mean, your little Navi? Oh. If you know, you know, bro. If you know, you know, because that's the Pop Accomplice. Highest Ascension I've gotten to so far. We're on Ascension 17 with the Ironclad. With, everybody needs to remind me, the Boatman run. Every boatman's piece. Every boatman's friggin' piece. Because we won't show, we don't know peace until we know peace. And we don't know peace till we know peace. And you don't peace on me. Because I'm going to peace on you. And you're going to shut the hell up because we pieced it up. Let's see how much we do. Come on, dude.
Papa. Accompli.
I'm sorry, did the Papa just accomplish? Did the Papa just accomplish? These are big pride moments. Being on Ascension 16, it's huge. It's huge for me. As a boy, that's fucking huge. My grats are gratting, dude. And my grangus are grangus. And now as a reward for everyone on the YouTube video, more Lugaroo. Hope you guys have a good week. Rack focus. Rack focus. Rack focus, bitch. Rack focus, bitch. It's like Rack City, bitch. Rack City, bitch.